Hey everyone, Michael here with Silverado LEDs. Today we're going to install low and high beam LEDs on our 2022 Silverado. The same install process applies for 2019 to 2026 Silverados. These LED bulbs are a huge upgrade over the factory halogens. For this install, all you'll need are these LED bulbs, so let's get started. The first step is to remove the dust cover. It's this black rubber cover that keeps dirt and debris outside of the lighting compartment. Once that's out of the way, you'll see the low beam headlight and you'll give it a counterclockwise turn. Once you do that, you'll have access to the bulb. Grab the clip with one hand and pull on the bulb with the other and you'll be able to release the bulb. And it's that easy to remove the factory halogen headlight bulb. Next, you'll grab our super bright Ironbeam headlight LED bulb. Our LED bulbs have an adjustment color. For the 2019 to 2026 models, we'll have to rotate this 180 degrees. To do that, you'll rotate it counterclockwise until you feel it release. You'll pull it up away from the fan and rotate it 180 degrees and put it back down and rotate it clockwise. You'll know you did this correctly when the widest securing latch on the adjustment color is at the top, as pictured. Next, we'll take the LED bulb and plug it back into the wiring harness. Make sure you hear a click so it'll be secure back in place. Once you hear a nice click, you'll get ready to install the headlight bulb. You want to make sure it's slanted right at 2 o'clock with the wiring pointing at the bottom. You'll stick the bulb back in the hole and insert it. You'll need to make sure that the widest securing latch is around 2 o'clock. You'll push in real hard and rotate all the way clockwise till it doesn't rotate anymore. As you can see, we have over rotated and the bulb is not directly vertical. You need to push a little bit extra and rotate it counterclockwise till it's straight up and down or vertical. Once you have your new headlight aligned correctly, you want to take all the extra wire with the headlight bulb and stick it into that compartment. You can stuff it all in there, there's plenty of room for it. Next, you'll grab the dust cover and install it back on the back of the headlight. You'll see this ring right here. You'll press these back onto the back of the headlight. This just keeps the dust and debris outside of the light. Great job everybody, you just completed upgrading your halogen bulbs to brighter, safer LED lighting. You've just completed the process for the driver's side, the process is the same for the passenger side. Now we'll begin the upgrade from halogen to LEDs on your high beam lights. Get to the halogen bulb, we'll need to remove the rubber cover as we did earlier. Once it's removed, you'll be able to grab the high beam bulb and give it a counterclockwise rotation and you'll be able to pull it out just as you did the low beam. Once you get access to the bulb, you'll need to remove the bulb from the wiring harness. This one is slightly different. You have a clip on either side of the harness. You want to pull the clips away from the center with constant pressure, pulling the bulb away from the harness. It may take a second to get the bulb unclipped from the harness, but it's all downhill from here. And just like that, you'll have the halogen bulb removed, ready to install the new LED bulbs. Next, you'll grab our super bright Ironbeam headlight LED bulb. Our LED bulbs have an adjustment color. For the 2019 to 2026 models, we'll have to rotate this 180 degrees. To do that, you'll rotate it counterclockwise until you feel it release. You'll pull it up away from the fan and rotate it 180 degrees and put it back down and rotate it clockwise. You'll know you did this correctly when the widest securing latch on the adjustment color is at the top, as pictured. Next, you'll take our bulb, take the plug and plug it back in the wiring harness. Make sure you hear a nice click to make it sure it's secure in place. After that, you'll take the LED bulb and you'll insert it back in the hole, just like so. You'll give it a clockwise turn all the way till it won't turn anymore. Give it the bulb a little pressure and rotate counterclockwise just the center of the bulb, making sure the adjustment collar stays still. And that right there is how simple it is to upgrade your halogens to LED lights. Again, we just completed the driver's side and the process is exactly the same for the passenger side. Upgrade your Silverado today at silveradoleds.com. If this video helped, give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest install videos, new product launches, and Silverado upgrades. And don't forget, we are built to light your way.